What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video and a tutorial. Today we're going to take a look on how to trade on Tradovate. First thing, go to Tradovate website. Sign up and verify your account, then choose demo account or live account, deposit funds, and you can practice risks free using simulation mode. Main things you'll see are charts, DOM, order entry, and position tab. These tools help you analyze and execute trades efficiently. Popular futures like MNQ, ES, CL or GQ like micro contracts are easier because they need less money. Now before trading, look at charts. Use indicators and find entry and exit points. Open chart, DOM, order entry. Select your instrument, then choose buy or sell. Then pick order type like market, limit, or stop. Click submit, then orders are executed based on your chosen type. Once in a trade, you can set stop loss, take profit, and adjust orders on chart by dragging. You can modify or close trades anytime. And that's it guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.